This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make vegan burritos at home. First, gather your fresh ingredients, such as one 15-ounce can of black beans, 1 cup of cooked rice, and your favorite vegetables. Next, prepare a delicious, seasoned filling. Then, warm your tortillas to ensure they are soft and easy to fold. Finally, assemble your burritos with a generous amount of the flavorful mixture. This easy method will have you enjoying homemade vegan burritos in no time. To create your delicious filling, begin by sautéing 1 small diced onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic in a pan until they become fragrant. Next, add 1 15-ounce can of black beans, ensuring they are rinsed and well drained. Stir in 1 cup of pre-cooked rice and about half a cup of sweet corn. Season this mixture with 1 teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of chili powder, and a pinch of salt for a rich, savory taste. Now for the fun part, assembling your burrito. Lay a warm, large tortilla flat on a clean surface. Spoon about 1/2 to 3/4 of a cup of your flavorful filling onto the center, leaving space around the edges. Feel free to add optional toppings like fresh salsa, sliced avocado, or a dollop of vegan sour cream. Fold in the sides of the tortilla, then roll it tightly from the bottom up to create a neat, secure package. Your delicious homemade vegan burritos are now ready to enjoy. Serve them immediately to experience the best flavors and textures. They pair wonderfully with a side of fresh guacamole, a vibrant pico de gallo, or a crisp green salad. These burritos are perfect for a quick, satisfying lunch or a hearty dinner. If you have any leftovers, simply store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.